Hello guys, I'm excited to share the sight and sound from Niagara Waterfall in Ontario. I mean, this place is wonders. At Niagara Falls, water doesn't just fall, it roars. Millions of gallons crash over the cliff every second. A fall so powerful that it shakes your chest before you even catch up. Hey God, the mist rises like a living cloud, kissing your face as if nature itself is saying you are here. Few days. They said the water is over 12,000 years, long before us and long after. By day, rainbow dances in the spread, and by night, the falls glow, painted in colors that makes you question if this place is even real. Niagara isn't just a destination, it's a reminder that some things in life are meant to be experienced, not just explained. And trust me, Niagara is one of them. Please find time to visit this place. It's really a wonderful tourist site. Let's go! See who we have here. Samuel Idemizwe. We were together in, which year was that in Naka? 2011, 2010. We are coppers in Naka.
Right now we are in Maple Land.
And today we are in
Niagara.
Niagara in
Canada.
In Canada. And look at what the
Niagara Falls.
The Niagara Falls. You know, it's a beautiful place here in Niagara. Oh my goodness. My hands are freezing. Oh my. Hi guys. This is Niagara. So, my friend Samuel. We met last in 2000. Which year was that, Samuel?
We've met in 2010 first.
Yeah, 2010 as coppers.
Yes, and in Naka, Nigeria.
And then the guy left us in Nigeria and came to Canada. But power of friendship and connection, I just got in Ontario 2 days ago. And he drove all the way from Waterfalls, decided to bring me in Niagara to see this waterfall. And it's been awesome. The cold is terrible. Can you show them the background? The cold is terrible. If I have to give me his jackets, you know, because the cold is something else, you know. So we are still exploring. Let's see what the weather is. What's the weather condition now?
So this is around this is 0 degrees, but it feels like -5.
0 degree, man. It feels like something else. With all I'm wearing, I'm still chilled here. So do you want to see who is behind the camera?
Me?
So, and this is the Samuel, the Naka Samuel.
I've left you guys in Naka, no more in Naka.
No, I'm no longer in Naka too.
Alright.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Right.
We'll keep exploring. Let's go down and see what's up. So, this is another part of the Niagara. Part of the waterfall, everywhere is kind of blocked. You know, do you want to get this? And everything here is blocked. Most water is blocked. And I'm actually blocked myself. Tree is also blocked.
I am freezing here. My hands are freezing. But this man said,
Can you see the tree?
so what happened is the mist effect from the falls, because the temperature is low, it freezes upon impact. So you can see that this is mist water, but it has frozen.
And then the water continues to...
Yeah. This Nigerian man is trying to test nature. He's walking on snow and enjoying himself. But this is cold. I am cold, my brother. Now this is ice on the floor. Well, I don't know. Yeah, my hands are freezing. This man, I need to put my hands in the pocket.
I am done. So the strangest thing for me about this Niagara Fall is that it keeps flowing for years. They said over 12,000 years from this same source into the valley. The valley does not get filled up, yet the flow does not stop. Samuel, come and join. Samuel, you want to say hi to the camera?
Hi.
What's the meaning of that? Is that all you can see?
Hello, I'm Niagara Falls. It's cold.
So hi Samuel, thank you for bringing me over here. It's been fun going around to see the Niagara, the city around, the waterfalls. I mean, everything to offer. It's here. I mean, you really see the power of God and what indeed they said what God cannot do does not exist. This is where I've seen it. Samuel,
But it's cold, but it's cold, man. It's beautiful, but it's cold, and
It's cold.
I'm freezing. My hands are shaking right now. This Nigerian man will not hear. But nice to see you guys. And have fun. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.
Thank you. So guess who we have here? We just passed up in Toronto, and we have our own man of God, Benjamin. Benjamin, can you say hi to your...
Hi guys, long time I've not seen you guys. Hope you guys are doing great and keeping safe. Compliment of the season. And
You don't want to say a word of prayer for me?
I will send prayers to your email.
My friend, what's the meaning of that? Go and say a prayer to
God bless all of you.
The canoe food has arrived. This is courtesy of Benjamin.
Hey, excuse me.
In DSS Union in Toronto, Canada. Benjamin refused to pray for you people, boy.
I pray for them now. God bless you with the biggest prayer.
Hello guys, the cold was too much, so we just had to end it, but I promise I'm going to bring you up another one that will be Banff. I told you guys we'll be bringing you the virtual experience without you moving an inch, and the Banff experience will be something else. It will be awesome. Just watch out for it, stay subscribed, and drop your comments. Take care.